Welcome to Make It Easy. Kashmiri restaurant style green chutney. A delectable and flavoursome blend of fresh green coriander and soothing cucumber with onion and green chillies. Here's an easy recipe for this amazingly looking, yummy, mouth-watering and spicy green chutney. 2 cucumbers roughly diced, half an onion and 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. To make this chutney, take all the ingredients in a blender jar. Now add 3 to 4 green chillies. Add salt to taste. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd. Blend all the ingredients. Green chutney is ready. Take a bowl and pour out the green chutney from the blender jar. Yummylicious green chutney is ready to be served with your favorite cuisines. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this video. Hit the like button and press the bell icon for more updates.